Well, we've got the cover off that for pulling this quill shaft. I imagine you pull the quill shaft out anyway. But it doesn't look. Oh, it's a big chunk of tooth missing off of that one. I imagine you pull it all out this way. I think we're going to have to disconnect this entire drive. So rotten in there.
Have you found the dead badger?
No. A lot more dirt come out, Del.
You poke your head in there and have a look. Found the gear stick.
Yeah. We'll be driving it soon. Can you select a gear?
When we put a big old
Can you select a gear in it?
No, not quite yet. A bit WD-40.
Well, it'll be hard because the gearbox is in the yard out there.
Yeah, we'll just put a Land Cruiser gearbox in it.
It's like trying to dig up that body you put there a few years ago, Del.
No, I'm making a hole ready to put Ian in.
He's the driver. You've got to bury him up.
When we've had enough of him.
Yeah, well, it looks like it was a big collar nut at some point. Well, this sprocket off this, or trying to get the sprocket off of this Comet. This is the lock that holds this big nut in. Goes through here. We managed to get that out yesterday with a bit of heat. Might have to make a new one when we put it back together. The next thing is trying to find a socket big enough to fit on here. 5 1/4 inches. So we might have to make something up. Just try and get out as much crap out of all these. These are the other locating holes when it comes around to a different point on that nut. But the chance of getting the nut off without cleaning it all out, well, it just makes it a bit. This front idler isn't working, all seized up. I've got about 1/4 inch of movement. So we'll take the cover off, see what terrible state the bearings are in. Crusty in there. Let's get that last bolt out. Right. Oh, there you go. Still got some grease in there. And water. One turn is almost away. Bearing. Spacer. Oh, lots of spaces. Well, that's the idler off. It don't look too bad actually. It looks like maybe even clean the bearings up. Oh dear. Actually. But the track adjuster is this. There should be an arm coming down here, and this pushes against it, and the tooth comes out, and it's that. But this track adjuster is on taking the track off, so we've got to move this all the way round. There's some bits that you put a bar in, a square bar, and lever it round, but looking at this I'm not sure it's going to go around very easy. All looks a bit crusty. Oh well, this is what it is. Bit at a time. Look at that, fresh metal under there. So a bit that ain't rusty. Yeah, that's a bit clearer. Chuck some oil down there and we'll let it soak in for a bit, see what we can do. Here we go. Last one. This side anyway. Lovely jubbly. Perfect.
Wonder if the lid's still shut. Now I've straightened out the
Side.
panel.
Get in there, innit? There you go, that looks good. Bit more stuff to put on the tank, make it look a bit busier. Got to put a crowbar and an A-frame on the back. Might have to move our stenciling a little bit, but yeah, it's getting there.